Welcome to the Land Treatment Exploration Tool tutorial. Step 6. Compare the LTDL treatments. The last step of the exploration tool allows the user to filter the list of returned land treatment digital library records. The Results tab was populated by Step 5 and now displays a table of records. The top of this tab shows the number of matching treatments from the query in Step 5. This example returned 215 treatments. Across the top are the column fields of climate rank, heat load rank, landform rank, project name, treatment category, year, implementation status, polygon status, seed list status, results, monitoring, and verified by the BLM. There is a question mark above the color-coded section of the table to describe the codes and colors in this section of the table. In general, green indicates higher quality data. You can sort the table by any of the column headers by clicking the double arrow to the lower right of the column header. Here, I have sorted on implementation status, and then back to the default, which is climate similarity rank. The left side pane for Step 6 lists the filters that can be applied to the results table. Each filter has a question mark to the right of the name that will describe the field if clicked. The filter fields are climate rank, heat load rank, landform rank, project name, treatment category, treatment type, start and end years, implementation status, polygon status, seed list status, if there might be results, if there might be monitoring, if it is verified by the BLM, and the seed species. Note that as of the 2020 release of the exploration tool, the legacy LTDL treatments are not marked verified by the BLM due to the extensive nature of the database. For this example, I will filter by the treatment category of seeding. Selected filter options will show up in blue below the filter category drop-down box. I will next filter by those treatments that have something written in the results field by selecting Y for yes on the effectiveness and monitoring results field. This narrows down the results of my search to 30 treatments. Each record in the table has a checkbox, a green plus icon, and a zoom lens to the left of the data columns. The green plus icon will expand the treatment to show further details. The expanded treatment will list the additional fields of the project and treatment identifier, the BLM field office, state, 3 categories of treatment type, BLM reported success, project purpose, objectives text, seed list status, dates, units, GIS acres, feature type, feature status, implementation text, results text, and the seed list details. Clicking the zoom lens will toggle to the planning map, zoom to that specific treatment, and highlight it in blue. Clicking Go to the Results table at the top of Step 6 will toggle the view back to the results table. Clicking the checkbox will include those treatment details in the exported report. In the expanded treatment view, clicking the More text in the text fields will expand the view to show all of the writing in the field. The Seeded Species filter will display species that are included in the results. In this example, I will filter to those treatments with bottle brush squirreltail and also those with Laddick alfalfa. To remove the individual filter options, simply hover over them listed below the filter and their name will appear with cross through. Clicking each of them removes it from the filter. After investigating the returned LTDL treatments and making the selection of those to include, they will appear at the bottom of the Report tab. They will be included in subsequent exported PDF reports. For more detailed information on how to use the exploration tool, see the user guide link near the top right of the site. Each section provides photos and details for every step. This concludes the step-by-step land treatment exploration tool tutorial.